Okay, gotta start packing. I'm leaving tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna show you how these vacuum seal bags work and why they're so great for when you're traveling. Okay, don't mind my messy bed. Okay, so these bags, as you can see, I folded the pants up like this and put them in here and try to keep them as flat as possible. And then these particular bags come with this little clip where you just clip it on and then you zip lock it like this. I like to go over it twice or a couple of times just to make sure you get a really good seal on there. Okay, and then you open the little vacuum. Now what I like to do is kind of squeeze it, and you can hear the air come out of the bag. And just squeeze kind of slow so that way you don't pop your bag. And then once you get most of the air out, just try to roll it. Yeah, put a little bit of weight on there, okay? And then close your little hole up. And look at that. Waterproof. And it's flat. And it's easy to put into your suitcase. Okay? So depending on how many outfits you need, one of these bags can easily hold 6 outfits or 12 shirts or 12 pants. So like here I have 12 pair of pants, and then in this bag I have 12 shirts, and this one is like a pantsuit, so it's pretty thick, so it just only has one right here, but you can easily fit 12 shirts in here. Okay, so I want to show you guys these little bags that you can get from Walmart or Target in like the laundry section, and they're really good for your undergarments. Keep it all in one place. So I have one for like my bathing suit with underwear, and then another one for like bras or tank tops. So that way when they're searching your bag at the airport, they just take one bag out, look at it, and then throw it back in instead of digging through all your stuff that you packed. Okay, so I want to show you real quick my packed bag. Okay, so in here I have the 2 vacuum seal bag. I have my shoes. I have 2 pairs of shoes, and then another bag of miscellaneous clothes. And then I just gotta throw in these 2 bags. And then this is my amenities bags, like shampoo, toothbrush, and then my makeup bag. And that's about it.